just wanted to do a really quick video to tell y'all what I did for my baby. She's a little sleepy right now, and I'm ugly because it's morning time and I'm tired as hell. So that's why I'm not showing my face. So I want to tell y'all a little story. She have a cold. She started with the cold Saturday. Her nose was running really, really bad. Today is Tuesday, and her snotty nose is completely gone because of a remedy that I use. It's very simple. Honey, lemon, and oregano. It will draw it up so quick. It's been 3 days. The first day that I gave it to her, I did it twice a day for that one day. And then the rest of the days, I only did it once. And she has no more snot. Yeah.